How to delete a Lyft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mr. and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a Lyft account. Now the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete a Lyft account, you wanna first go ahead and open up Lyft. Once you have opened up Lyft, what you wanna do is here, you wanna tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen and then head into help option. Now it is quite tricky, so make sure you stay tuned to the video and don't miss out any part. Under help, you can see profile and account option, you want to tap on it. Once under profile and account, you want to select the very first option that says edit profile or account. So once you tap on it here, you can see the last option that says delete my account, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you want to scroll down and you can see how to delete your Lyft account and you can see plus icon beside it, you want to tap on it. Here, you can see delete my account option, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the confirmation page where you'll be able to delete your account. In my case here, since the app itself is unavailable in my region, it's showing particular error, but you can retry it, enter in your phone number and verify it's you. And then here you can see you can tap start under the delete account selection. Select a reason for your account deletion request, confirm your request by entering delete into the text box, and once you select delete account, your account will be deleted and your request cannot be undone. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.